everybody, and welcome back to CJL Aviation. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. But today we'll be looking at the Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Canyon Blue livery. And this model is built by NG Models. Let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of this box. First of all, I love the design. It's cool how they have the tail design incorporated in the theme of the box, but nothing too out of the ordinary. We got a registered Boeing product on here. We got the NG Models logo. We got the tail number here. Here's the sides of the box. Once again, nothing too crazy going on here, but it is a nice simple design, yet profound. I like it. Alrighty, now let's open this puppy up and look at what's on the inside. Alright, here we go everybody. Here's our first look at the Southwest 737-700 in the Canyon Blue livery. And so far, I'm just impressed. It looks beautiful, stunning, just so wonderful. Here we go, taking a closer look at the aircraft. We got all the markings on top of the fuselage. We got the beacon light, we got an antenna, and we got the dome for the Wi-Fi communication. And you know, we got the beautiful livery on the engine as well. And you can see on the wheel is painted red, but we'll see more of that when we look at the underside. The wing tip, you can see the southwest.com. Sorry, it doesn't focus very well. And then you've got the tail number. We got November 957 Whiskey November. And we got the American flag on the tail as well as the Southwest lettering on the tail. And the other side looks just as beautiful. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these colors are just spot on. I live in Phoenix and Southwest has a hub there, and I see these aircraft all the time, and it just looks spot on, so wonderful. And now the underside might be one of the most impressive parts of this model. I love how they got all the colors there. You know, they could have skipped out on painting those wing canoes on the bottom, but they painted them red. The engines are red. We got the red on the wheels. And it just looks really good. Looks like we got about 3 antennas on the bottom as well as other markings. So great detail once again. So great job, NG Models. All right, it's that time again where I show you some beautiful pictures of this aircraft. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. My final opinion on this aircraft is that it is just wonderful. I know Southwest Airlines models can be hard to find nowadays, but NG Models really is putting out a great product. Very impressed by this livery. The colors are great. The details are great. The 3D model is great. So I would definitely recommend adding this to your collection, especially if you're trying to bolster your Southwest fleet. This is a great way. And this livery is not really around anymore, so it's a great throwback to the past. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and leave a comment. Do you like the old Southwest livery better or the new one? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on that. But I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic rest of your day and a great week.